The drivetrain is any part of the car that contributes to the wheel's motion. Now let's follow the power transmission from the motor all the way up through the drive wheels. So the motor's here, the motor turns, and that turns the gear that's attached to the motor. The gear that's attached to the motor turns the center gear. The center gear in turn rotates the center axle. The center axle transfers power into the two cases at the end of the car called the differentials. The differentials transfer power from longitudinal rotation to lateral rotation to turn the tires. On the outdrive of the differentials are axles. And the axles drive the tires. So you can see if we just push the car, we can see the gears in the motor turning, we can see the gears for the axle turning, see the center axle turning, and we can see all of our outboard axles turning as well. So the gearing on the car dictates how fast the car will go. So for each rotation of the motor, this center gear turns a fraction of a rotation, and that determines the gear ratio. So if your gear ratio is 3 to 1, the motor has to turn 3 times for every single time that this gear turns. And the center gear controls the drive output to the other 4 tires. Bigger gear, your acceleration will be lower and your top speed will be higher. If you change to a smaller gear on the motor, your acceleration will be faster, but your top speed will be limited.